Alright, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sam and I'm back again for another video. So today guys, we're in a different location. We're at a place that is somewhere quiet. Though it's still kind of loud, but I can make it work. At least it's a lot quieter than my house. So, yep, I'm at the pond here. Hold on. Sorry about those fingers there. Just got a notification from Stormy Sky Real Productions. So yeah, right now I'm here sitting at the pond and I'm gonna give you guys a truck tour of my 2024 Volvo 860. It's a very nice truck. I love it. And I've had it for at least a week now, so I just thought I'd do a little walk around and show you my new ride. Okay guys, so I got the camera flipped around. So here she is. She is a nice, clean white, and I apologize for it being dirty. I haven't had a good chance to wash it yet. I just got out of school, and I've just been super busy. Oh, I hear a horn. Sounds like it's a Jevo leader, from what I hear. So, yeah, here she is. So yeah, she's white in color. A little bit different than what I had for my last Volvo. My last one was Viper Red. So yeah, this is kind of a base model spec, but still a very nice truck. So, yeah, here she is. She's got LED headlights right there. And I threw an X-Guard bumper on here, so that way I can protect the front end. Just look at that stance. Holy smokes. See, I'm just like, holy smokes. Look at that front end. It's just got that really nice sloped aerodynamic look. And my last truck did not have dual hood mirrors. I'm so happy to have that configuration back. And I'm currently bobtail right now. Man, listen to that K3LA. Okay, here's some wrong one. So it's a Jevo later passing by. I'm obviously unable to catch it right now because I'm doing the truck tour. It's a 233-inch wheelbase, 77-inch raised roof sleeper. It's virtually brand new. It's got about 270 gallons packed into the truck. So I have a 120 and a 150 for fuel with a medium-sized F tank. About 20 gallons. Because I usually fill it up like halfway. So taking a look on this side over here. And there's those bugs again. So, yeah. You might see the fingers in the shot. So yeah. Just gotta deal with how it is right now. So, we have Michelin tires all around. Low Pro 22.5s. It's a 13,200 pound front end. 40,000 pound rears on Volvo 40,000 pound air ride suspension. So, having a look here. See, and I got the round hole wheels on this one. I got the nice top hats. I threw that all myself. It's got the extended chassis skirts. Just overall, it's a really nice spec. Got the chrome mirrors on the door and on the hood too. Let me just walk up front here. That's chrome. And that's chrome too. And the deer guard, this is the XG150 model. So I have the higher model. So let me lower this down and I'll pop the hood. So that way you guys can see this engine. It's been performing very well. So, woo! That's a loud K3LA. I think a local train's coming through. All right. All right. Okay, so in here we have the Volvo D13 wind, and this one's the turbo compounding model. Horsepower. This one's a 425 horse, which means it is the Eco Torque model. But I think it's 1850 torque. Made it to an I-shift 12-speed automatic. Woo! Look at these guys rolling. Woo! Woo! Those guys are highballing. So yeah, but anyway, I just got off track. So let's get back on track here. So basically under the hood, we have the oil dipstick right here. That's where you check the oil. And I'm not going to start the engine, but most of the time with a Volvo engine, there's going to be no blow-by whatsoever. I will attach a link to a video of a newish 2019 Volvo 760 in the description of the video, so that way you guys can go check it out. So yeah, the link is down in the description down there. So yeah, so let's see. So yeah, right now I'm just glad I'm out here. And truck has almost no miles on it. It's got about 400 something miles on it right now. But yeah, and unfortunately sad news. Dad's got another 17, but he'll manage. He'll be all right. Just my least favorite part of the 17s is the pickup on the speed, whereas this one's a lot better compared to a 2017 Gillig BRT. You know what? I should actually take a picture of that bus whenever I get a chance, whenever it's on a different route, like not the 630, which Dad's doing right now. So yeah, anyway, let's get back on track here. And we have power steering, and we have washer fluid down there. Going around the other side, let's see what we got over there. Alright, so on the hot side of the engine here, we have the turbo. HVAC system is up here. and your coolant is up to here. A little bit different than the Peterbilt 579, which I do have it now. I'm going to be doing a tour of that one in November. So, whew, got some splashing down there. So yeah, you missed it, guys. But yeah, I was panning over there to show you what was. Oh, whoa. Okay, turn that flashlight off. Let me zoom in. Hopefully they do it. Whoops, sorry about that. Didn't mean to pan the camera down. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I saw when I turned my head. So yeah, it's a little bit different than the Peterbilt 579. Where the coolant is up in that area, and the washer fluid's over here, which the washer fluid's in a great spot on the driver's side. So I'm gonna go and close this hood, and we'll take a look inside. And I'm gonna latch up this deer guard here. Okay, there's one. There's two. So now let's take a look inside, where all the fun stuff happens. So let's see here. All right. So on the inside here, I got the basic interior package, or we got the premium interior package, is what I call this. Just, whoops, sorry about those fingers. They struck. So, let's see, get down here. So basically on the inside we have the premium interior package in the gray, which it just goes along very well with this color, this white. So anyway, here's some Halloween decorations over at that house over there. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So yeah, we got some junior high kids here from my last school that I went to. You guys got to see some content of that. But unfortunately, I'm not able to go there anymore, which kind of makes me sad. Yeah, I was kind of hoping I would be able to say hi to Mr. Challen. Because, yeah, I do miss him. But that's what happens with life. Just can't go to a certain place anymore. So anyway, back to the interior. We got power locks, windows, and mirrors. Heated mirrors as well. So yeah, super simple, nothing special. Over here, we have the whatchamacallit? The utility lights on the back of the truck. So back there. Let's see, I have to get out. So that way I can show you guys. But most of you guys already know what the utility lights are. They're basically to lighten up the back of the truck. So, yeah. So that way it's easier to see at night when you're dropping trailers, unhooking airlines, all that stuff. Which, I don't haul reefer. I mostly haul dry van. In which I'm going to be bobtail the whole day, unfortunately. Because, yeah, my trailer is getting a custom wrap done right now. Or I think I might get it back sometime today. Just, I'm not sure when I'm going to get it back. So, yeah, we'll find out sooner or later when I'm going to get my trailer back today or tomorrow. And on the steering wheel here, we have the phone controls, radio controls, cruise control, all that. These are leather seats. These are very comfortable. See, it's leather seats in this truck. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm honestly quite happy with this thing. So anyway, got the premium, which I already said that. Let's see. Turn the key on here. Roll down these windows. Because, yeah, it's hot up here. Phew. So, yeah, it's hot today. So, yeah, hot day here in Utah. So, yeah, this is the interior. We have all the switches over here, nothing special. Take a look here. And I did take out the passenger seat when I first got the truck. So that way I can store my own fridge in here. Store a larger fridge. Because I'm a fresh eater, I gotta have more fridge space. But still, the fridge back in the bunk, so back here, it's still a really good size. So, take a look at the storage here. So I got this cabinet up there. Got the netted box here. Same place for the CB as in the KW and the Peterbilt 579 Ultra Loft, in which it's still here. I'm gonna have to head over there so that way I can show you. Or actually, there is a video on my channel showing off that truck. I think it might be heading out tomorrow. Possibly. So anyway, yeah. And I got another netted cabinet here. And I got this one up here. So yeah, this thing has a lot of storage in here. Like, I've barely even used any of this storage. It's unbelievable. See, it just has enough storage for us. For me, anyway. So, in here... Oh, wait. Gotta open this one first. Then that one. So, basically on the inside here, this is where I keep all my medicines, all that. This is my closet. Here comes 1874. Let's watch it go here. So, yep, there goes 1874. That's a nice bus. So, anyway, yep. Got 1874 heading by. And there is storage underneath from where I'm at right now. And I got some nice big windows too. Much bigger windows compared to the Freightliner Cascadia on the lower bunk. Which, Freightliners, they were well known for shaking. I'm glad I don't have that today. So, yeah. So, yep, I got my closet. And I got my TV mount up there. And some more storage above that. So there. And on the side here, Volvo was smart. Sit down here. So Volvo was smart. They put a lock here for the fridge. So yeah, you can just unclip that and you can open your fridge. And that's what it looks like in there. So yeah, this is probably the best investment I've made for me. Is a fridge that has a lock on it, so that way it doesn't come flying open to where you have to deal with your groceries and all that. So yeah. And I did get the workstation table in this thing. So I got the 2 benches here and the table, which I think is very nice. And top bunk, pretty simple. That's where I sleep. So yeah, I usually have the ladder down, but I thought, so I'm going to show you how this works here. So you basically un-Velcro it. I can get a hold of it, and I can just drop it right down. And I can head up to my bunk, and I can sleep. Very nice. So, yeah, I usually have the top bunk down. And it's plenty of room in this truck here. Like, I don't have to bend over. Though the 80-inch Ultraloft in the Peterbilt 579s and 567s, it's a bit more roomy in those things. But yeah. Let's see. Sit down here. So, yep. That's basically a tour of the truck. Got my GPS CB in there. And I got pretty much everything set up in here. So, this is my new home. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. So yep, see you on Saturday. Peace out, everyone. Love you. Bye. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm getting some truck spotting done today. And I just happened to see this company. Check out over there. There's my last company that I used to be with. It's a day cab Freightliner Cascadia pulling trailer number R269. There it goes, right there. And it's got a carrier reefer unit on it. Here's 1950. Let's watch it here. So, yeah. And this is going to be the last video for me to just do it with my phone. I got a earbud set with a microphone on it. And I'll be getting another one tomorrow. Except it's not going to have a microphone on it. So, alright, so guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And make sure you subscribe. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time.